Hey everyone, welcome to New Discovery TV, your go-to YouTube channel for the latest and most reliable updates on new technology and groundbreaking inventions. In today's video, we'll be showcasing some of the coolest tech gadgets of 2025 from AliExpress and Amazon. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our exciting content. Let's dive in. Number 1. EXOsc F01. The EXOsc F01 is a sleek, exoskeleton-style stainless steel flashlight designed for durability and high performance. Featuring a unique open-frame structure, it offers enhanced grip, heat dissipation, and a futuristic aesthetic. Built from premium stainless steel, it ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. The flashlight is equipped with a high-intensity LED, delivering powerful illumination for outdoor adventures, tactical use, or emergency situations. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while multiple brightness modes provide versatility for different lighting needs. The EXOsc F01 is rechargeable, ensuring eco-friendly and cost-effective use. With its rugged yet stylish design, this flashlight appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate both functionality and cutting-edge design in their everyday gear. Number 2. MezmoPen. The MezmoPen is an innovative fidget-friendly writing tool designed for creativity and focus. Featuring an infinitely breakable modular design, it allows users to disassemble and reassemble its magnetic components for a tactile and satisfying experience. Made from high-quality materials like stainless steel or titanium, it offers durability and a premium feel. The MezmoPen functions as both a smooth writing pen and an engaging fidget toy, ideal for relieving stress and enhancing concentration. Its sleek, minimalist aesthetic appeals to professionals, students, and creative thinkers alike. With a balance of functionality and interactive design, the MezmoPen transforms everyday writing into a dynamic experience, making it a must-have for those who enjoy both productivity and play in their workspace. Number 3. KivaKube. The KivaKube is a versatile, portable multi-fuel barbecue that allows you to grill, smoke, and bake with ease. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it supports various fuel sources, including charcoal, wood, and gas, offering flexibility for any cooking style. Its compact, cube-shaped design makes it easy to transport and set up, perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings. The high-quality construction ensures durability, while the efficient airflow system enhances heat distribution for even cooking. Whether you're searing steaks, smoking brisket, or baking pizza, the KivaKube delivers top-tier performance in a portable package. Now available on Kickstarter, it's an innovative solution for those who love outdoor cooking and want a high-performance, all-in-one barbecue system. Number 4. Integral 3D Microscope. The Integral 3D Microscope is a cutting-edge imaging tool that enables real-time, high-resolution 3D visualization of microscopic structures. Unlike traditional microscopes, it captures depth information without the need for complex scanning or multiple focus adjustments. Using advanced optical and computational techniques, it reconstructs detailed 3D models of specimens, making it ideal for applications in biological research, material science, and medical diagnostics. Its intuitive design enhances usability, allowing researchers to explore samples with unprecedented clarity and precision. The Integral 3D Microscope streamlines analysis, reducing time spent on manual adjustments while improving data accuracy. With its innovative approach to microscopy, it is revolutionizing how scientists and professionals examine microstructures, offering deeper insights across various scientific fields. Number 5. Hello.it. The Hello.it is a revolutionary self-charging dog leash that harnesses recycling power to generate energy while you walk your dog. Designed with an integrated kinetic energy system, it converts motion into usable power, ensuring that built-in features like LED lights, GPS tracking, or smart notifications stay charged without needing external batteries or charging cables. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the durable, tangle-free leash enhances control and safety. Ideal for eco-conscious pet owners, the Hello.it promotes sustainability while adding convenience to daily walks. Whether for evening strolls or long adventures, this innovative leash ensures visibility, security, and smart functionality, making it an essential gadget for modern dog owners who value both technology and environmental responsibility. Number 6. Orioners Gr5. The Orioners Gr5 Titanium and Damascus Cutter is a premium modular everyday carry (EDC) tool, combining durability, precision, and aesthetics. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, it is lightweight yet incredibly strong, while the Damascus steel blade offers exceptional sharpness and a distinctive, elegant pattern. Designed for versatility, it features a modular construction, allowing users to customize or replace components based on their needs. Whether for cutting, opening packages, or daily tasks, this compact cutter ensures reliability and style. Its ergonomic design provides a secure grip, making it easy to handle. Perfect for EDC enthusiasts, the Orioners cutter is a fusion of functionality and craftsmanship, delivering high performance in a sleek, pocket-friendly form. Number 7. TiSpanner 3.0. The TiSpanner 3.0 is an enhanced titanium multi-tool designed for durability, versatility, and everyday convenience. Crafted from premium grade 5 titanium, it is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and incredibly strong, making it perfect for EDC enthusiasts, mechanics, and outdoor adventurers. This upgraded version features improved ergonomics, precision machining, and multiple integrated functions, including a wrench, screwdriver, bottle opener, pry bar, and more. Its compact, pocket-friendly design ensures easy portability, while its modular construction allows for customization. Whether for quick fixes, survival situations, or daily tasks, the TiSpanner 3.0 delivers reliability and efficiency in a sleek form. Built for those who demand performance and durability, this multi-tool is an essential addition to any gear collection. Number 8. Master Forge. The Master Forge is a fully customizable mechanical keyboard designed to deliver a premium typing experience tailored to individual preferences. Built with high-quality materials, it features a modular design, allowing users to swap switches, keycaps, and even adjust actuation settings for ultimate personalization. Whether for gaming, programming, or professional use, it offers precise keystrokes, ergonomic comfort, and a durable construction. With customizable RGB lighting, programmable macros, and a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, the Master Forge enhances both functionality and style. Its hot swappable PCB ensures easy modifications, making it a future-proof investment for keyboard enthusiasts. Designed for those who demand performance and customization, this keyboard truly adapts to your needs, making it the perfect tool for any setup. Number 9. Vitaloop FlexGuard. The Vitaloop FlexGuard water filtration bottle is a revolutionary portable water purifier, ensuring clean and safe drinking water anywhere. Designed for adventurers, travelers, and everyday users, it features an advanced multi-stage filtration system that removes bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, and microplastics. Its flexible, durable design makes it easy to carry, while the leak-proof construction ensures convenience on the go. The integrated FlexGuard filter provides long-lasting performance, allowing users to refill from lakes, rivers, or questionable tap water sources with confidence. Whether hiking, camping, or commuting, this eco-friendly bottle reduces reliance on single-use plastics while delivering pure, great-tasting water. The Vitaloop FlexGuard is the perfect companion for those who prioritize health, sustainability, and adventure. Number 10. QicoBay P1. The QicoBay P1 delivers a remarkable flossing experience, combining innovation, convenience, and efficiency for superior oral hygiene. Designed for gentle yet powerful cleaning, it effectively removes plaque and debris from hard-to-reach areas, promoting healthier gums and fresher breath. Featuring advanced ergonomic design, the QicoBay P1 offers a comfortable grip and effortless maneuverability. Its durable, high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance, while its precision-engineered flossing mechanism provides a smooth, tangle-free experience. Whether at home or on the go, this portable and stylish device makes flossing easier and more enjoyable. Ideal for those seeking a professional-level clean, the Kiko Bay P1 redefines daily oral care, encouraging better flossing habits with its sleek, user-friendly design. Number 11. SOOCOO S50. The SOOCOO S50 is the ultimate 4K riding camera, designed for cyclists, motorcyclists, and adventure enthusiasts who demand high-quality video recording on the move. Equipped with a powerful 4K sensor, it captures crystal-clear, Ultra HD footage with vibrant colors and sharp details. Its rugged, waterproof design ensures durability in all weather conditions, while advanced image stabilization delivers smooth, shake-free recordings even on rough terrains. Featuring wide-angle lens technology, it provides an immersive field of view, capturing every moment of your ride. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily share and edit footage on the go. Whether for documenting your journeys, enhancing safety, or creating epic content, the SOOCOO S50 is the perfect companion for every ride. Number 12. Leo. The Leo is a plug-and-play battery life extender designed to maximize the performance and lifespan of your devices. Whether for smartphones, laptops, or other rechargeable electronics, Leo optimizes power consumption, reducing battery degradation over time. Its intelligent power management system prevents overcharging, overheating, and excessive wear, ensuring your battery stays healthier for longer. With a compact and lightweight design, it seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. Just plug it in and let it work. No apps, configurations, or technical knowledge required. Ideal for travelers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts, Leo extends battery efficiency, reducing waste and saving money on replacements. Say goodbye to short battery life and hello to longer-lasting, more reliable power with Leo. Number 13. inReach Messenger Plus. The inReach Messenger Plus by Garmin is a powerful SOS satellite communicator designed for adventurers, travelers, and emergency preparedness. Featuring two-way messaging, it keeps you connected even in remote areas without cellular coverage. Its dedicated SOS button provides instant emergency assistance, linking you to Garmin's 24/7 Global Response Center for help in critical situations. With Iridium satellite network connectivity, you can send location updates, check weather forecasts, and stay in touch with loved ones anywhere in the world. The rugged, compact design ensures durability, while the long-lasting battery supports extended trips. Whether hiking, sailing, or off-grid exploring, the inReach Messenger Plus offers peace of mind, safety, and reliable communication when it matters most. Number 14. BE e-Scooter. The BE e-Scooter is your ticket to zipping and zapping through the city with fun and ease. Designed for urban commuters and thrill seekers alike, this sleek, eco-friendly ride combines speed, style, and efficiency. With a powerful electric motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and impressive range, perfect for navigating busy streets or cruising through parks. Its lightweight yet durable frame ensures easy handling, while shock-absorbing tires provide a comfortable ride on various terrains. The BE e-Scooter features quick folding capabilities, making it convenient for storage and transport. With smart connectivity, LED lights, and intuitive controls, it's built for both safety and excitement. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, hop on and experience the buzz of electric freedom. Number 15. ACEELE. The ACEELE is the world's first 4K smart portable quad monitor, revolutionizing multitasking for professionals, gamers, and creatives. Featuring 4 Ultra HD 4K displays, it delivers crystal-clear visuals, vibrant colors, and seamless connectivity in a compact, foldable design. Whether you're working remotely, trading stocks, editing videos, or gaming, the ACEELE enhances productivity by expanding your screen space like never before. Its lightweight yet durable construction makes it easy to carry, while plug-and-play functionality ensures effortless setup with laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles. With touchscreen capabilities, built-in AI features, and adjustable configurations, this monitor adapts to your workflow. Experience next-level efficiency, immersive visuals, and unparalleled convenience with the Aseal 4K Smart Quad Monitor, your ultimate portable workstation.